Hi everyone, this is Cecilia from Super U Display Group. And we just finished a new project, Spot Shop, located in Angola. So follow me to check the product we made for this shop, okay? The main material made for this shop is basically the paint NDF and the paint iron powder coat paint spray painting. And you can see this is a big wall display shelf made for this customer. We're all with the adjustable hooks and adjustable shelf. It's basically nearly 5 meters long. And check with this image. This is a logo wall in the entrance, show the brand style. You can see there's a big logo and with the back illuminated. And this is another base for the model, Alcrison. It speaks to the ceiling and the floor, so you can put some model in it to sell your hotel product. Check how we make the football element into this design. We use the football network in this shoe display shelf, or with the shoe holder, you can check. And underneath is the shoe fitting mirror, and it can be removed. You can place this mirror to any place that you want. This is the island for hanging and stacking. This place you can hang some clothes, and this you can put some cap in it, show different products, offer you the flexibility. And for the another items, we also design with the board display shelf. Basically sell the board net, and this is the display shelf for showing the ball. You can put some basketball or some football in these places. And this is the most beautiful thing I think. This is the most product. This is the product I most favorite, and it is with the greedy orange, also with the LED light underneath, with the shoe holder, and every shoe holder will be offer you the price tag. And this is a big board basket. You can put some board in it to sell your product, and you can also design it by yourself. This is another island. For the clothes island, we also make two designs. So you can check the first one. This one is used by the normal shelf, and also with a black platform, you can put some clothes in these places. And we also decided the second thing is this one. Please check these two tables. It's the same one, and this one you can be separated into a desk and a cabinet, and you can also put together. And this cabinet we offer with the double side door. You can open the door in this side and also the another side. So it's basically two doors on the both sides. It's very easy and very convenient for you to pick some product in it or take it out. For the clothes display shelf, we also design with the two different styles. So this one is the basically one. You can see it's a normal shelf. It's the basic one, and this is also another shelf. We use two color. So this is the brand color, and also we equal with the gray color. Is very suitable. And for the selling accessory, we also offer you with the adjustable hooks. We equip with a lot of the hooks, so you can change it according to the accessory you sell. And you can see this island is a complex one. It's very functionality. We offer with also adjustable shelf and adjustable hooks. And on the top, we print your logo in these places. This shelf we also with the wheel on the bottom, so you can remove this island very easy. For the cash counter, we also do some design. So this little space is basically for the cash box. You can put two cash box in these places. It offers with a space for 4 people to do the cash work. And this is a big drawer. You can put it out and put something in this space. It's also rockable. And this is a window display space. You can show some product you're interested in. And this is a work table. Work table also with a set for people to have the computer and work in this table. And that's all. That's all for this project. I am Cecilia from Super U. If you want to know more information, please contact us. I will see you in the next project. Bye bye.